everyone, I won a giveaway from Unbox with Me. I'll leave her channel link down below. So let's see what I got. He packed this little box really well. So she included a little note and it says, "Dear Alicia, thank you for participating in this giveaway and congratulations on your win. Sincerely, Marcia, Unbox with Me." And I really like when people do that. It makes it extra special. So first I pulled out these little samples of perfumes. I like them because it gives me a chance to try out these perfumes I've never tried before. First up from Kapari is this body butter. And then from Guerlain is a double renew and repair serum. So here we have a YSL mascara and the La Mer moisturizing lotion. Next up from Dr. Dennis Gross, this Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel, and it has 3 treatments, which is awesome. Can't wait to try it. And a travel size perfume from M. Makaloff in the scent Eden Falls. So the next item is from Hourglass, is the Ambient Strobe Lighting Blush. That's super pretty. As well as this Anastasia Loose Highlighter in the shade Vegas. The packaging is really pretty. Next up is this Chanel nail polish in the shade 629 Atmosphere, as well as a Pat McGrath lipstick in the shade 025 Soft Core. And I really like how the nail polish shifts colors when you move it around. I think that's pretty cool. This is my very first of both of these. I do love this shade of the lipstick. It's right up my alley. And this is the last item in the box. This is the reason why I entered the giveaway. I've never heard of this brand before and I wanted to try it out. This is such a beautiful palette. This is by Terry VIP Expert Palette, Terribly Paris. Here is what the palette looks like. On the outside, it is so pretty and I love Paris. Hopefully one day I could go. And let's take a look at the inside. Take a look at all the little designs on the inside of the palette. The colors are beautiful. I can't wait to try this palette out. Thank you once again to Marcia from Unbox with Me. I will leave her channel link down below. Check out her channel. This is everything that I won. I'm so excited to try all of it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.